know, you know. My life is the life of God, you know, you know. I'm addicted, yeah, I'm a success, yeah, everywhere I am. For I am born victorious, oh, yeah. I'm not an ordinary person, no, you know. My life is the life of God, you know, you know. I'm a victor, yeah, I'm a success, yeah, everywhere I am. For I am born victorious. I'm a spirit being. I'm a spirit being. I'm a spirit The armor of Christ is upon me, upon me. The flesh has no chance for me, no chance for me, no. I'm unstoppable, I'm movable. I'm moving forward and upwards with the sword of the Spirit. I'm a spirit being.
A minute just to explain this. How can I even have the confidence to say this? Yeah, although to some it may sound like I am the strangest, but to be an extraordinary, that is nothing major. Thank God I've been perfectly mended to do good works. And no, it's not just because I always go to church. Now maybe the problem could have been thinking it's sin, but you have to understand that Jesus dealt with it. So he came that we may have life and life to the full, so that his spirit can now rest inside of you too. No, your spirit now has been made incorruptible. It is because of his grace, not the things that you do. Now the spirit is kinda like the air that we breathe. It is something we know that is there but cannot see. Yet the more you perceive that you are a spirit being, watch the people look at you when they start to believe.
I'm a spirit being. I'm a spirit being. Spirit